Hi everyone, in this video I will take you through the steps on how to create offer price for seat seller agents. In the offer price scenario, the agents will pay only the offer price amount configured by you for booking a seat and not the original price of the seat. If you are an operator and would want to extend extra commission to the agents in form of offer price, you can do the same using the offer price section available here. In the offer price tab, you can see all your active offers from here. To create a new offer price, click on the Add New Offer Price button. Mention the route details on which you would want to give the offers on. Also select the dates for which you would want to give these offers on. Once you select the service which is running on this route, you will be able to see the original fare of the seats for the selected dates, and from here you will be able to give the offer price for these seats. For example, for the 15th of January, I am giving offer price as 40 rupees, for 16th 45 rupees, and for 17th 45 rupees. You can also configure whether this offer price should be applied on a particular date and time range when the agents are booking for the service, or you can also choose to configure whether this offer price should be applicable on all agents or only a list of particular agents. Once you have mentioned all these details, you can save the offer price from here and you'll be able to see that the offer price has been successfully saved. Once the offer price is configured, the same can be visible to the agent when he searches for that particular route and that particular service. In this case, the agent can see that he is getting a service for 40 rupees, which is originally priced at 53 rupees. So the difference, which is 13 rupees, will be his earnings. Hope you understood how to configure offer price and how offer price works. Thank you for watching this video.